here's my first video. So this is the first thing that I built, which was the drill bit holder, soporte de brocas, from OcCre Ocio Creativo. Alright, and this is what it looks like. I apologize for not having thought about filming the process here, but this is not completed yet. I still have to stain it and put some polyurethane on it, so that way if something spills on it or whatever else the case may be, it'll be quite easy to clean. All right, but as you can see, all right, from here, it's about 4 inches. All right, about a little bit over 2.5. As you can see, it hangs. All right, it's pretty sturdy. All right, that was the first model or first thing that I put together in quite some time. Second thing that I put, and again it's not stained, is this drawer system. All right, so as you can see, this I've not glued because I want it to be where if I want to switch it around or whatever else the case may be, then I can, or if I want to take it off. But it comes with 2 systems like that. All right, this one's pretty deep. All right, this one you can see that pretty much goes my whole index finger. And this is even much larger. All right, pretty tight fit. But so this one, you can kind of see how it goes to the middle of my palm. That same thing, I still haven't stained it or anything. It's pretty much the same thing from OcCre Ocio Creativo, modelo de cajones, drawer model. All right, you can kind of see what it's supposed to be. All right, and for my next project, I'm doing the Mueble Taller Portátil, or the portable workshop cabinet from OcCre Ocio Creativo. So this is going to be my next project. Once I've completed my project, I'm going to stain it. I'm going to polyurethane it, and I'm going to pre-stain it first, so that way the stain holds really good. And then my first model is going to be the Sawyer tram from OcCre Creativo, Ocio Creativo. All right, so let's unbox this.